Page 269 in your book shows us Freed's rule. Freed's rule is used for infants up to 12 months old. And it's basically the infant's dose is going to equal their age in months divided by 150 months times the adult dose. So age in months divided by 150 months times the adult dose. And that will give us the child's dose. Okay, so then if we look at practice problems F, letter F on page 269, let's look at number 1. So we're still on chapter 12, page 269, number 1. A physician orders milk of magnesia for a 3-year-old child. Well, actually, that won't work for Freed's because they're not under a year old. So let's look at number 2 on page 270. 270, number 2. A physician wants a 6-month-old to have phenobarbital. They must be having seizures. The usual adult dose is phenobarbital 30 milligrams. The adult dose is 30 milligrams. And the medication is available in an elixir of 20 milligrams per 5 mLs. Okay, 20 milligrams in 5 mLs. So what dose of medication should be given to the child? The only thing we know about the child is that they're 6 months old. So we're going to use Freed's rule because it's for children under a year. And Freed's rule is the child's age in months divided by 150 months times the adult dose. The adult dose is 30 milligrams. And that's going to equal the child's dose. Okay, so 6 divided by 150 times 30. And that gives us 1.2 milligrams. So that's the first question, what dose of the medication should be given to the child? And the second question is, what volume of medication should be administered per dose? Volume is going to be milliliters. So we want our 5 mLs. This is the strength on the bottle. We're going to put the 5 mLs on top and the 20 milligrams on the bottom. And we want 1.2 milligrams. Okay, milligrams are going to cancel. 5 times 1.2. That gives us 6 on top. 20 times 1 is 20. 6 divided by 20 is 0.3 milliliters.